Hello, we are Jushi Technology. Today, we will conduct a rigorous test. We placed 1 mm thick glass sheets under NNF Non-Newtonian insoles and ordinary insoles. 4 kilograms of steel ball fell from a height. NNF Non-Newtonian insoles demonstrate amazing impact resistance. The insoles and glass pieces are intact. And ordinary insoles under the same impact. The insole was pierced and the glass was instantly shattered. NNF Non-Newtonian insole. Using advanced non-Newtonian fluid materials. Strong is strong, weak is weak. Effectively absorb the impact and protect your feet.